All right, we're going to show you how to do a repair on an architectural shingle. To start with, somebody's already been here and done a repair, and when they did it, they cut off a piece of shingle and left it under there. So the broken tab, they just left it. That's a terrible way to do a repair. After that, look up under here and see what they did. They cut the top of their shingle off so that they didn't have to go up underneath the nails. That's another bad way to doing things. We're going to do it the right way. The right way is the very first shingle that's going to be replaced, you have to go up 1, 2. So you go to the top of the second, bottom of the shingle, you loosen it up. This one, I've already loosened up, I will tell you that. And then you're going to start by going under this shingle, pulling all the nails. And I've done some on some of these before the video got up here. Okay, so you're going to go all the way across and just take a flat bar, pull the nails out of that top layer. So you can get all the shingle nails out of this one piece that you want to take out. See, there's another nail in it somewhere. There it is right there. Get all your nails out and them pieces will just come out. That's what they should have done to start with. That piece shouldn't have been in there. So that was an extra piece they left. We're going to do it the right way. Now, we got the nails out from under this shingle. The only reason why was so that we could get this shingle out. Obviously, they cut the top off this shingle, so it's going to be fairly easy to remove. You don't want to get underneath the shingle right there, and it's going to be stuck. So you're going to work your flat bar as a cutter to loosen that up. And that's how you do it right there. You just work your way across until you get it all loose. The most important thing is getting all these nails out before you get started from underneath that shingle right there. So you just look for them. Once you get them all, that nail, that tab will slide right out there. Like this. Off to the side. I still need to get this shingle out. It should come out fairly easy, being as well they didn't nail it properly. Take the nails out that were in there, I just pulled them through. Pop all these nails out of there. Get them out of your way, because they're in your way. Okay, so that's cleaned up. Now I'm coming back here, I'm going to take these two shingles out. This is an old repair, and I'm just getting rid of the old stuff that they did, because they didn't do it properly, and cut off the top of their shingles. As you can see, they just cut it right off. That is not the right way to do a repair on an architectural roof. It's amazing what some people will try to get away with. Now this is the real shingle that needs to come out and get under that shingle. It's stuck. Okay, it's stuck. It's the way it's supposed to be, stuck. You just want to cut. Staying on top. You don't want to get up underneath this shingle. Now that shingle's ready to just peel out of there. Throw it aside, clean up your nails. This is one way to use your flat bar, by the way. You can use that for that. So, these are all the old shingles. This is the new. That's how you do it. Tear them out just like that.
Well, you change it for them. You don't tell, right?
I'm changing them because they didn't do it right. They didn't cut off the top shingle up there, so we might as well take them out and replace them with something closer. Alright. These are the new shingles going back. We've cleaned out all the nails. Now you're just going to want to Match your shingle back up like they had it, just like that. There's a line right here. You want to put your nails right in between them two lines. One. You're lining up the bottom of this with that spot right there. That's a key. It's going to let you line it up with. Now, on this top shingle right here, you can lift up this tab easily. That's how you nail that one off. I'm going to fill in the other one, then I'm going to show you how you have to nail your top run. So this is the third shingle. All the nails are cleaned up, so slide right up underneath there. Just like that. We get a few nails here. 4 to 6 nails, it's all according to where you live. When I pick up this architectural shingle, I always pick it up by the thick, heavy part, because this part here could possibly break. So I just put my thumb under the double, where it's the thickest, so it doesn't tear it. Nail it back down. That was the easy part. The last row you have up here is not always so easy to get them nails in there, because if you notice, this will only lift up about that far. So one of my YouTube friends showed me this. This is called a snake. So I went out and bought one. The way it works is you put your nail in there like that. That allows you to lift up your tab. Stick that nail right where you want it, and then hit this. Drives it down. Pull it out, your nail is still lifted a little bit. Done. How cool is that? That last row is the hardest one. Take your nail, slide it in. You do not want to break this tab off. Put it right where you want it. Hit the snake, pull the nail out, put it back on top, because you're going to drive it down a little bit more. Hit it all the way down. Continue doing that on that top run all the way across with the snake. Always being sure that you lift up on this double section right there and put your nails there. That's where it's the hardest thing. Thank you, YouTube subscriber, for turning me on to the snake. Appreciate it. Make my life really easy. Now you're going to want to keep going all the way down through here until you get to the top of your shingle right here. That's going to be your last nail. Would be right up here in that corner. Just keep working your way across with the snake. Dropping your roofing nail in there. Put it where you want it. Now the last thing I'm going to do is put some caulk across underneath that, because we broke the seal. And we'll seal this down also because we broke the seal. I'm going to go ahead and put one more out here at the edge. Just so it touches the top of that shingle right there. Alright, we got it. A couple more down here. Put the other end down here. Snakes and pigeon paw. What a deal.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I already got it. Just gonna put one more here in the middle. And that's how you do an architectural roof shingle repair. That was 3 shingles. Don't forget to go on Amazon, buy yourself a snake. You're gonna need a flat bar, a hammer, some nails, and a corking gun, possibly a hook blade. That's it. Thanks for watching.